Tonight, Liberty University at the center of a federal lawsuit.
Yeah, we're hearing from a woman who says that she was fired for being transgender. WFXR's Rian Lowndes has that story.
Eleanor Zinsky says she was fired from her IT job with Liberty University roughly a month after telling them she was legally changing her name because she was transgender.
A month went by and I had heard nothing. And by that point, I was just like a pressure cooker of anxiety, and I just had to follow up.
When she did, Zinsky says she was called for a meeting where she was read and given a letter of termination. ACLU attorney Wyatt Rolla says the school was explicit.
The words they used in the termination notice that they read aloud to Eleanor, they cited her denying, quote, denying biological and chromosomal sex assigned at birth as the basis for her termination.
That letter is not public record. Title VII prohibits employers from firing someone on the basis of sex, and in recent years, the Supreme Court specified that the rule protects transgender people. Craig Conniff is a professor of law at UVA. I spoke to him for background on Title VII. He says this case is a cut and dry application of the law, but he does expect to hear arguments for religious exemptions.
We were talking about a religious organization, but it's not quite a religious organization. It's a university, and we're talking about an IT specialist. We aren't talking about a minister, right? The exemptions I mentioned have been expanding exponentially, and we could see this case, along with other similar cases, making new ground and making new precedent.
If those arguments stand, Conniff says that would be a significant decision by the courts.
While Title VII does allow religious schools and educational institutions like Liberty University to give religious preference in hiring, to choose to hire someone of a certain faith, what it does not allow for is for those religious institutions to discriminate on the basis of other protected statuses.
I can't change that I'm trans. Like, this is how I was born. It's not something I can get better at. It's not something I can just stop doing. So to be denied at a fundamental level of self, it's just like I'm hollow.
Zinsky and the ACLU are asking for $300,000 in damages and for Liberty University to declare that they violated Title VII. A spokesperson with the school says they will not comment on pending legal matters or personnel matters. In studio, Rian Lowndes, WFXR News.